Hello viewers, just a brief introduction about me. This is Dr. Lokesh Bhatia. I've been practicing here in Qatar for last 6 years now and having more than 2 decades of experience in the field of orthopedic surgery. I'm practicing now here at Al Khor for last 1 year. So today we will be discussing knee problems. We have been discussing before and we have other sessions of back pain and other things also. Today we will be focusing our discussion on knee problems. Well, the knee problems in day-to-day practice present in the form of the pain in the knee, swelling, difficulty in bending the knee, difficulties in climbing stairs. Patient may complain of only occasional coming and most of the times is pain-free, but when he is climbing stairs, getting downstairs, or when he starts running, he gets pain. So these are all the classical problems related to the knee joint. Well, it's very important to understand what is the further course of problems when we have to handle such things. No point in sitting at home. If you have injury, you must consult earliest possible time to any orthopedic surgeon nearby to your place. The first step what we need to understand after going through the history and examination, clinical examination of course, is that we need to do proper x-rays. AP, lateral and skyline view are very important x-rays which we must be doing it to decide which component of the knee is in trouble. Is it the tibiofemoral or the patellofemoral joint which is in trouble, which helps us to decide the further course of action. If the x-rays are normal, mostly we interpret that there is problem with the soft tissue components, which are mainly the ligaments, and the ligaments are the structures which connects one bone to another bone. So there are very strong structures. Actually the knee is a major weight-bearing joint of our body. You will be wondering that when we are climbing, it is the 5 times of the body weight which is passing through the knee joint. When we are running, it is 5 to 8 times the body weight passing through the knee joint. While walking, it is 3 to 5 times the body weight passing through the knee joint. So here lies the importance of keeping your body weight within normal range. Obese people will definitely have problems with their knee at some point of time. We will discuss further that how body weight has its own importance. A long-term objective of management has to be addressing the weight, body weight. It's very important. Yeah. See, these are the ligamentous structures surrounding the knee, and these ligaments integrity is very, very important for the normal functioning of the knee. To allow the knee to give a full range of motion, the structural integrity of these ligaments is very important, and these invariably get ruptured to some minor to major degrees while sustaining any even minor trauma or even twisting injuries also can create problems in these ligaments. This lateral ligament, this medial ligament, this structural integrity is very important. And another 2 most important ligaments are the anterior cruciate and the posterior cruciate. These ligaments, when they get ruptured, will result in instability particularly while climbing. Patient complains that the knee is not with me. So that is very important to understand. If this complaint is there or if you are experiencing this, then one has to be mentally prepared to get their MRI done, because then only we can find out what structure is torn and how to address about it. Well, when there is no history of injury and if you have a knee pain, there are few important causes which we need to rule out based on the clinical examination, and that can be because of the bursitis, there can be tendinitis, there can be because of osteoarthritis, early manifestation of osteoarthritis. Yeah, if there is no history of any injury and if you have a pain in your knee, it can be because of the bursitis, it can be because of tendinitis, it can be because of high uric acid that is gout problems. And last but not the least, it can be early manifestation of osteoarthritis. We will try to focus our further discussion on osteoarthritis. So what is the short-term treatment, immediate treatment of knee problems? Immediately, if you have acute pain, that is acute inflammation, that has to be controlled by applying ice. Ice fermentation is very, very important in initial phase. Just take 4 or 5 cubes in an ice bag, apply it just 10 to 15 minutes maximum, 2 to 3 times a day for 2 to 3 days maximum. Having reduced your pain, along with these, with ice fermentation, along with these, you will need analgesics, anti-inflammatories, and mobilization exercises depending on your knee pain tolerance. Well, the next important part of short-term treatment after using ice pack fermentation comes is analgesics, anti-inflammatory we have discussed already. Then comes is knee braces. If your knee can be mobilized, we apply knee support which permits you movement, limited movement, or the pain is too severe, then we may have to apply for 2 to 3 weeks time knee immobilizers too. When we find that there are major structures which are damaged, it needs adequate rest, so knee mobilizers have its major role for initial 2 to 3 weeks time. Having passed through the acute phase, here I conclude my first session of acute management. Now we will be discussing in next session the do's and don'ts with the knee pain and the exercises in the next session. Thank you very much.